Hi, I'm Jonathan Mitchell with the award-winning Richmond Ford. Now, when it comes to standing out in the crowd, there's no better place to get suited up than at Richmond Ford West. We have some of the rarest, ready-to-go aftermarket trucks and SUVs out there, or we can custom tailor-fit a ride that suits your flavor and style. The choice is up to you. We have exclusive partnerships with some legendary names in the world of aftermarket Fords, like the legendary Shelby that started it all back in the 1960s. But far from those early days, these Shelby nameplates are adorned on the most impressive street and off-road Fords you'll find on the road today. We also partner with a name synonymous with speed, Hennessy, that improves and enhances the most wild and capable vehicles coming out of Ford's factories with horsepower numbers approaching 800. We also stock Black Widow and Rocky Ridge F-150s with ferocious-looking exterior modifications that make you want to get out of the way when you see them in traffic. Richmond Ford West's Customs Department can also work with you to create your dream build and wrap those customizations into your monthly payment. No matter if they are just tame enhancements like tint, spray and bed liner, and a tonneau cover, or creating an off-road beast with a lift kit, larger wheels and tires, bumpers, or whatever your heart desires. Richmond Customs can make your dream a reality. We also do our own in-house builds from time to time to showcase what we are capable of, and these vehicles are ready to hit the road with a full warranty intact. No matter which way you prefer, you get the peace of mind that these customized vehicles were built by Ford technicians who know these vehicles inside and out. So, what are you waiting for? You can start your custom build, get a Rocky Ridge, a Shelby, a Black Widow, or a Hennessy. Check out our current inventory online or reach out to us to start your dream build at Richmond Ford West, where we are driven by you.